Good morning students, class 8 chapter number 14 exercise 14.2. In the previous video we have complete out exercise 14.2 up to question number 4. Now we just start question number 5. It contains total 3 parts and we just note down part number first and part number third. In this question we also study a particular method for factorization. We use splitting the middle term method. So now we start its first part. It contains total 3 terms and we just note down in a standard form. It's mean p square plus 6p and 8, decreasing power of the variable. Now firstly we check that then can we use identity. P square can be written as a p whole square but 8 can't be written as a perfect square. So we can't use in this part identity. So how can we factorize it? So we use splitting the middle term method. For this method, we split the middle term. So firstly we underline the middle term. It means we underline the constant coefficient of variable and we split it. Now what is the method? For this method, firstly multiply by 8 to the coefficient of p square, but its coefficient is 1, so we obtained only 8. Now we break 8. 8 can be written as 1 multiply 8, and we observe that their addition must be 6. It is not possible. We can write 8 as a 2 multiply 4, and we observe that their addition is 6. So we split 6 as a 4 प्लस 2, यानी कि आपको 6 ऐसे स्प्लिट करना है कि उनको ऐड करके तो 6 आए, बट आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन द वैल्यू मस्ट बी 8. नाउ वी ओपन द ब्रैकेट. p स्क्वायर प्लस 4p प्लस 2p प्लस 8. नाउ इट कंटेन टोटल 4 टर्म्स and we distribute as a binomial, and it's a binomial, यानी कि हमने binomial के दो पेयर बनाए, and in the first pair we can take p as a common. So in the bracket p plus 4, in these two binomial we can take 2 as a common. So in a bracket p plus 4, now p plus 4 bracket completely taking maybe common, and in the bracket p plus 2. p plus 2. So it's the final factor of this algebraic expression. Now we discuss its third part. In the third part, it also contains 3 terms, and p square can be written as a p square and 16 also 4 square. But in the entity, a square and b square both must be positive, and in this it is a negative, so we can't use entity. So we again use splitting the middle term method. We underline the 6 and we split the 6. Now for this we break 16. 16 can be written 1 multiply 16, and we observe that their subtraction, यहाँ पर साइन माइनस का है, so their subtraction must be 6, but is not possible. We can write 16 as a 2 multiply 8, and we observe that 8 minus 2 is 6. So just note down 6 as a 8 minus 2. Now simply open the bracket. P square plus 8p minus 2p minus 16. Underline these two binomial and these two binomial. In these two binomial, p as a common. In a bracket p plus 8. In these two binomial, minus 2 as a common, p plus 8. जब ब्रैकेट के बाद माइनस का साइन होगा तो आप हर टर्म का साइन चेंज करोगे. माइनस कन्वर्ट इनटू प्लस, माइनस कन्वर्ट इनटू प्लस. नाउ वी कैन टेक p plus 8 complete bracket as a common, and in the next bracket p minus 2. So these are factors of this algebraic expression. It is a very important method. We use it in our next classes also. So just revise it properly and complete the question number 5. Note down it. Okay students, now we start exercise 14.3. In the 14.3 first question, in the first question carry out the following divisions. It contained total 5 parts and we just note down part number first and part number fourth. And in the question we have to complete the division. It means we have to divide this algebraic expression from this and this algebraic expression from this. So how can we simplify it? It's very simple. Now we just discuss its first part. 28x raised to the power 4 and it's divided by 56x. 28 and 56. 56 it divisible by 28. So 28 when you are 28 and 28 to the 56. So 1 and in the denominator there is 2. X raised to the power 4. X multiply x multiply x multiply x and it's a x. So 1 x is cancelled out. So 1 upon 2 and x multiply x it's mean x cube. So its solution is 1 upon 2 x cube. It's very simple. Now we just simplify it. 34 x cube y cube z cube and divided by 51 x into y square into z cube. Now how can we simplify it? 34 and 51 both are divisible by 17. 17 2 ya 34, 17 3 ya 51. So in a numerator there is 2 x cube. X multiply x multiply x y cube. Y multiply y z cube. Z multiply z. In the denominator 3 into x into y square. Y multiply y z cube. Z multiply z. And after simplify 1x cancel out. 2x are remaining, it's mean x square. 2y cancel out, 1y is remaining, y and z are cancel out. So its solution is 2 upon 3 x square y square. So I sure both parts are clear. Just note down and these parts and remaining parts in homework. Okay students, now we discuss this question number 2. In the question number 2, divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. So it's we divide this binomial from this monomial and we divide this trinomial by this monomial. So how can we simplify it? It contains total 5 parts. We just note down part number first and part number third. These parts and remaining parts also in homework. Okay, now discuss its first part. Its first part we divide binomial from monomial. हम इस बाइनोमियल को मोनोमियल से डिवाइड करेंगे और फॉर दिस वी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दिस बाइनोमियल फॉर ईच टर्म. इस मोनोमियल को हम इन दोनों टर्म के साथ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. इट्स मीन 5x स्क्वायर अपॉन 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 6x upon 3x. Now simplify it. 5 and 3 both are not divided by same number x square and x, in which we observe that there is 5 upon 3x minus 6 and 3 both are divisible by 2. X are cancelled out, so here is 2. Now its answer is 5x upon 3 minus 2, but we can also simplify it taking 3 as a common LCM, so 5x minus 6 and the 1 upon 3 in a bracket 5x minus 6. Its solution. Now simplify it third part. We just note down trinomial and open the bracket. So 8 multiplied by each term 8x cube y square z square plus 8x square y cube z square plus 8x square y square and z cube. And in that denominator we note down 4x square y square and z square. Now we distribute this binomial form each term. So 8x cube y square z square upon 4x square y square z square plus 8x square y cube z square upon 4x square y square z square plus 8x square y square z cube upon 4x square y square z square. Now simplify 8 and 4. तो 8 divided by 4 तो 2 y square cancel out, z square cancel out, and the value is 2x plus its value is 2y and similarly its value is 2z. 2 as a common, then the net answer is 2 into x plus y plus z. Truth solution is 2 into x plus y plus z. I sure question number 2 is also clear. Just note down and complete the question number 2.